Hi, my name is Mohamad Shamil and I will be presenting for our group case study. The title is Plate Number Tracking System. So, for the introduction, as we all know, number plates are used for identification of vehicles all over the world. So, these vehicles are identified either manually or automatically. So, our system is focusing on the automatic identification. So, the purpose of our system is the first one is effective traffic control, security application, and better parking system. The main technology we are focusing on is the number plate recognition system, which is NPR system. This method is more easier for vehicle identification. The four main steps for this system is the first one, image acquisition, number plate detection for pre-processing, character segmentation, and character recognition. So this is the basic working principle for our system. The first, we are using MATLAB to simulate, and then the image is captured by the camera with certain angle and position. Then the image is converted to grayscale image, and then we binarize the image into black and white. Then the edge detection are used to get the boundary features. After that, we are using dilation and hole filling technique. Dilation is for enhancing the edge, and then hole filling is to get the region boundary. And then we are using image segmentation. This is the crop area for the number plate location, and this is the example of each character templates. And then we are using character recognition by using template matching technique. So this is the basic flowchart for template matching technique. The first one is the input image, which is this one, and then selection by segmentation, where we segmented the character one by one, and then we match together with template file image, and the template matching block will do its program to get the output for the character recognition. And lastly, we store the data in the text file. This is the example. So that's all from me. My friend will explain a lot more about our system after this. Thank you.
I will explain the process in getting an image before performing template method. First is image acquisition. We need to capture an image, which is in this case is a car plate number. A high resolution digital camera was used to capture the image, so the image will appear clear. Also, note that images are taken in different illumination condition and in different backgrounds, so it will produce a very kind of results. Next is RGB to grayscale conversion. RGB images are converted to gray level image, which are subsequently converted to binary image during image processing. The primary goal of image pre-processing is to improve the contrast of the input image, minimize image noise, and hence increase the processing speed. Moreover, various types of filter are utilized to reduce noise from the input image. That's all from me. Thank you.
Character recognition. The final stage in the number plate tracking system is to recognize the segmented characters. The segmented characters may have different sizes and thickness due to zooming and camera distance. There are different techniques in character recognition, such as optical character recognition, OCR, template matching, artificial neural networks, and combined algorithms. In this system, we use the technique of template matching. Template matching is a technique to identify the segmented characters by finding the small part in image that match with the template. This method needs character image as their template to store in the database. The identification is done by calculating the correlation coefficient where the template that score the highest coefficient is identified as the character of the input. There are three types of matching factors that represent the output, which are exact matching, complete mismatching, and confused mismatching. The database will be created in the coding of the system. However, due to some similarities in the characters, there might be some errors during the recognition.
Okay, for demonstration, we get the image from the internet. And then this coding have three the first coding is to import the template. So the template is file template, this template. This template, and then we brought the letter, and then the plate detection. Okay, we run. Okay. First, what happens to coding that we read the image and then convert to the grayscale, and then from the grayscale we convert to the black and white picture, and then we use detection using the private method. From the detection we can count the box area, that box, bounding box, to crop the number plate. After we get area and crop, we get the image. Then we use to remove some object if too long or too short or too small. And then we get the final image. From the final image, we can count, and then we use from the template and image detection to compare and then get the final result. This. Okay, thank you.
Okay, for the next topic is the result from the simulation. For this study, we are collecting 13 images of the plate number randomly from the internet. So 5 of them are attached with the vehicle body, while the rest are entirely the license plate. So the first 2 images we are getting partially successful due to this character are not recognizable in the system. Its come out is double O. So the next 3 we are getting successful as the input image quality is very impressive. So the output image depends on the quality of the input image. So that's why. The next 2 we are getting partially successful. We can see here there is a blue sticker on this plate. That's why sometimes the screw here and the sticker will affecting the input quality. So the rest we are getting unsuccessful recognition. So we can see here there are red sticker, the some crop image here, the back lighting, blurry image, and the distance. So for the system, we can say that the system is managed to detect the characters successfully. Uh, Even though the quality of the input image is very important, as the recognition is depends on that. So this is the explanation for the earlier. So the conclusion for this study is MATLAB software is been able to implement the template matching method to recognize the characters in car number plate numbers. So some letters and number like O, 0, DB, and A sometimes can experience the wrong detection. This is because some effects such as blur, light, the distance from the camera will affect the output image. So that's why. Thank you.